Have you ever been out with friends, splitting the bill for a fantastic night, and then getting hit with that awkward moment you realize you haven't exchanged payment details with anyone? Cash seems like a relic of the past, and while credit cards are convenient, let's face it, who wants to hand out their entire card number just to pay their share for dinner? This is where peer-to-peer payment apps come in. They've revolutionized the way we handle splitting bills, sending quick payments to friends and family, and even running small online transactions. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular options out there, Venmo. Now, before you ask in the comments, because I know you will, I will not be revealing my personal Venmo name in this video. This channel is all about fun and sharing financial tips you can use in your everyday life, and that includes keeping your personal information secure. But that doesn't mean we can't explore the wonders of Venmo, right? So, let's get started. Launched in 2009, Venmo quickly gained traction with its user-friendly interface and social media-like features. Unlike a traditional bank transfer, Venmo lets you add a quick message or emoji to your payment, making the whole process a bit more fun and interactive. Here's how it works. You download the app, sign up with your email address or phone number, and link your bank account or debit card. Once you're set up, you can find friends either by searching for their username or phone number. Once you've found your friend's profile, you simply enter the amount you want to pay them, add a short note if you like, and hit send. The money is transferred instantly, and your friend receives a notification. But Venmo isn't just about splitting bills. You can also use it to pay for online purchases. Many small businesses and online vendors now accept Venmo as a payment option. It's a quick and easy way to support your favorite local shops or buy something you saw online without going through the hassle of entering your card details every time. Send money as a gift, birthdays, holidays, or just a random act of kindness. Venmo makes sending a quick gift to someone easy. You can even personalize it with a fun message or emoji. Now, along with the ease and convenience, it's important to remember that Venmo, like any financial tool, comes with some considerations. Since Venmo transactions can be public by default, depending on your privacy settings, it's important to be mindful of what information you share in your payment notes. Here are some safety tips to keep in mind when using Venmo. Only send money to people you know and trust. This might seem like a no-brainer, but scams do exist, so be cautious of anyone you don't know personally asking you for money on Venmo. Review your privacy settings. By default, Venmo transactions are visible to your friends list and their friends. You can adjust your settings to make your transactions private if you prefer. Enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring a code from your phone in addition to your password when logging in. Venmo is a fantastic tool for managing everyday finances, but like any financial app, it's important to use it responsibly. So, be mindful, be secure, and most importantly, have fun with those split bill emojis. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned for more engaging content on how to manage your money and make the most of your financial resources.